What's up, Rosenhaus? Checking out. Here at work. Ooh, what is this? Whoa.
Thy ticket.
We are doing something crazy over here with a build. What is this going on?
They accept Discover at Renaissance
Well,
fairs?
stick around. Keep your eyes out. Only at Scott Power Sports do we build cool stuff like this. With my history in minis and Braden at the counter and Carson Brown being a rock star. Minis are flying out of here. Scott Power Sports. We got what you need. We do what you need. Give us a call.